Yo, what's up? My name is Sheental. Okay, well, all these people right here are gonna make me eat this thing. I don't know what it is.
Get it?
What is it? Like,
I don't know. It's some kind of chili.
okay, well, like, we were watching stuff on YouTube, and we saw this little crazy kid eating the world's hottest pepper and going psycho and stuff, which was really hot. But anyways, okay, they're really gonna make me eat this. Can I eat just a little bit of it?
No, you have to put the whole thing in your mouth. Whole thing in your mouth.
Just chew it.
At least half of it. At least half of it. Half of it. Half.
Come on.
Half of it.
Just go.
Just go.
Go.
No spitting.
Stupid. You see the slug right here? Okay, so all of us.